Is your LG washing machine making strange noises during a cycle? Here are a few things you can do on your own to solve them. If you are experiencing thumping sounds during a wash cycle, pause the washing machine. Wait until the door unlocks. Check the clothes inside the drum. The thumping sound usually comes from heavy clothing. It can also come from clothes being bunched up. Redistribute the heavy and bunched up clothes evenly. Then resume the cycle, and the thumping sounds should have weakened. You may be experiencing vibrating noises. In this case, see if any packaging material is still attached to the washing machine. Some models come with a tub support base. Make sure the tub support did not get stuck at the bottom of the appliance. Also make sure all 4 transit bolts were removed. Soft flooring, such as wood, can also cause vibration noise. Make sure your washing machine is installed on a solid floor absent of any flexibility. We strongly recommend laminate or concrete floors to minimize vibration. For more information, check out our video on things to check before installation. You should also check whether the washing machine is properly leveled. If the washing machine seems to be uneven, check out our video on leveling the washing machine. If you hear a rattling or clanking noise, pause the washing cycle. Check whether there are any foreign objects such as coins, keys, or safety pins inside the drum. Remove the objects that may be causing the noise. If the noise continues after you resume the washing cycle, call for service. Thank you for using LG washing machines.